I feel like yo sasa kwanza growing up kama madem tu peke yake mimi imenifanya nikakuwa this soft person.
Kwa nini?
Juni wasichana watakangi mtu anawagombanisha hivyo.
So mko mna fight nini?
Fighting was there. Especially hey, what do you guys think of this? I'm not sure about this, bro, but hey, they're supposed to be sisters, not twins. So
like mko mna fight kuhusu nini?
Mi na sister yangu mkubwa we used to fight a lot. Tukiwa wadogo we used to fight a lot over petty things, nonsensical things kama mitu namchokoza juu amenitoa kwa game yake, vitu tu kama hizo. Hao wengine wadogo I used to beat them. I was bad, but I stopped, Nilikuanga na wapiga, like I was that hot tempered person. Mwenye ukikataa kufanya Kenya nasema, bana, tutaelewana. So, and I feel like, you see, my dad has always been a disciplinarian, so I feel like to grow up hivyo ndio ilitufanya tukakuwa na discipline. Alafu sasa mimi I was like him sana, so nataka kila mtu akue disciplined, and by that you have to do what I'm saying. If you don't, we have a problem. That was not the right thing to do.
Do you feel like you're different?
So I'm very different because like my approach on discipline and how to handle people and how to make people do what you want, ama to convince them, it's not to go physical on them. Yeah, it's about telling them this is what I want you to do and discussing it with them if they are comfortable or not, Si ile yenye tunaambia msee this is what you're supposed to do and this is it. Kama hataki, you don't have to force things.
So like which is like the worst fight you should have like your sisters and got Usumini and like who got hurt the most?
So there was this time when we were kids, me and my big sister, back in Nanyuki. I don't know what we were fighting about, but it was tulikuwa tunafightia remote. Sijui nataka kuwatch. Mimi I've always been a stubborn kid, so nataka hiyo remote na yeye anatumia, sijui ana watch nini. Mimi nikaanza kumchokoza, nakwambia tulifight, and then so our house dirisha zilikuwa very high hivi. Ukikuwa kwa dirisha hivi ni kama uko 6 feet above the ground. So tumepigana ile serious hadi mtu ana have kujump over the window to the other side, mwingine anamfuata. Like it was bad. Alafu sasa we jumped over the window, so akanikimbiza huko kwa ground huko kwa manyasi nini. Alikuwa anataka kunipiga but nilitoroka. But hiyo siku tulikuwa tumepigana kwa nyumba. My parents were not in. Tulikuwa tumepigana kwa nyumba ile yenye hadi tunararuliana shati, Yeah, I was a bad person mimi, but I think it was a phase. It was a phase, and I got better with time, because right now me and my sister we are like BFFs. We talk about a lot of things. Kama yako na issues na chali yake nini, We discuss all that.
Yeah, so like do you have like a favorite sister or something like that?
If you asked me a year ago, ningekwambia our last born sister is my favorite, because we just sync, We sing, she looks like me, she's like me. She's like mini me, so like with her it's bliss. And like she's this very creative person, so we just bond on a lot. Wengine, my big sister, she's like the best, because she will listen to you, atakuunderstand, atajaribu kukutafutia solution, and mwenye ananifuata, she challenges me. She's like, unajua sasa mimi ni mdogo kimwili, not age of course. And then she's like, huyu sasa ananiambia nini, like anani challenge in so many other ways. So at this point I think all of them are really nice. kila mtu ako na qualities na characters zake, plus huyo mwenye ananifuata she's more like me actually when I come to think of it. And nowadays tunaongeanga, now that she's in campus we talk a lot. She tells me kama ako na boyfriend nini, you know, so like that's a good thing for me. During the corona period we bonded vizuri. It was not always roses because of course lazima kuko na zile moments.
So corona like ikianza mkoa nyote kwa the same house?
Tulikuwa sisi wote.
See, that must have been a lot.
It was not a lot. It was not a lot.
It was fun.
It was fun because me personally I was not doing much, you know. So how? Because they were in high school nini, and then my mom sasa take that chance akawaambia, so you guys need to learn how to cook, because like for them wamekuanga boarding schools tangu primary, you know. So like me and my elder sister tulianza kupika ama tulijua kupika tukiwa bado primary, you know. We were wadogo bado. So si tulikuwa tunajua mambo ya kupika nini, you know. So my mom took the chance ya sisi kukua, mi sasa nilikuwa kama supervisor wao. I was supervising them. Kuna mwenye atapika lunch, kuna mwenye atapika asubuhi, kuna mwenye wanapika jioni, you know. So I was not doing much. Most of the times I was just in my room.
So like amkuwa mnakorofishana nini, it was just peaceful?
Sisi sema tulikuwa tunakorofishana sana because like at the end of the day I'm older than them, you know. There has to be some kind of respect between us. Mimi ni mtu mwenye si yuko high school. I was in campus. Actually I had finished, right? I was waiting to graduate, so nilikuwa na feel kama I'm at this other level yenye I'm guiding them through. So kulikuwa na hiyo respect yenye wanaona sister yao ako at this level. But sasa walikuwa na, because I was like mimi ni mdogo, si ati kulikuwa na hiyo respect. Sasa sometimes wow, unaniambia nini wewe, si hata wewe sijui nini. So of course hizo moments zilikuwa zinani piece off, but so it was a bit not difficult, but ile tu kidogo tu kukorofishana, but overall it was nice juu nilikuwa mkubwa wao na walikuwa wananisikiza most of the time, if not all the time.